You dumb motherfucker. You think you can get away with killing me?
I guess I will find out.
And you think it's worth risking your life for all this shit? If you kill me, my boys will be on your ass just like that.
I will last longer than you, dickhead.
I can already see my boys cutting up your goddamn balls, shove them down your motherfucking throat. You're dead, man, you dumb son of a bitch.
You were the stupid guy. That's why your boys asked me to kill you.
Fuck you. Kill me, motherfucker. Kill me! I said, kill me! This is no bet.